Sanibonani guys, how are you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Gama lami ngiJozi, I'm a storyteller. Ngikhuluma izinto ezenzekile life. Ufuna isigaxa uninkinga yenzeke empilweni yakho ngakhona ukuyishare the next person. Uka inbox akho TikTok la ngizokuthumela khona inamba. Wena urecord story sakho mina ngize nendlebe and then wena uze nendaba and then ngize ngapha kubalali bethu ngizoba kuthulela story sakho and then bona bafe advice ukayitsha jwang moving forward. Ngibhalela usisi. Sisi uthi awushozi my sister, she's trying each and everything I mean everything to keep her man. I don't know sethi awutswa awushozi usisi wami uya shoplifter uyatshontsha awushozi awusikhuphela lento sengihle because lo nyanga ngeke uzupheliswa mangekho ejele. Story time. Usisi uthi awushozi thina kithi si3 isisi wethu sidlula nga 2 years ifirst born yaka mama nobabam and then yithi ke simawele sima twins but sima twins lawa angafana sikho identical kilobona or mara ka phone unka di voice like rathwana unka ba sure ubulela awuswami usisi wami uthi awushozi mina igama lami ngosihle uthi sikhulisa abazali abashadile but uthi ze masenze grade 1 my father and my mother bese bahlukana ubabambeka umuntu abusive kumama so mama mabona uri no what this is too much for me umama wamuva back wabila vele ikibo uthi awushozi sikhula so sikhulele kibo ubabam azangaze azakhelena umuzi wakhe because of nale last born and nale mushimane so besihlala ekibo babam ke uthi so kwaba ne arrangement ukuthi during the week kuhabo babaka subabam during the weekend Friday siyaka gokwami ke ikibo mamam and then Monday kuseni ke siyahamba ke sisikoleni and must be school and Monday rebola go babaka be like that so wenze ukuthi libe arrangement yabazali wenze ukuthi ke my twin sister yena wathi decide ukuthi yena akasafuna ukuya kubo mamam thina masamba Friday yena wahlala ka babam azange safuna ukuya kumamam yaba kanjalo awushozi azange yakhulunywa like azange bayikhuluma vele bayeka enjalo uthi my elder sister yena every time asiya kumamam kwaba ukuthi yena uthi simple sakhe kancane wagcina sahlala ka mamam so umuntu osele aya up and down waba oleni nakele ngi1 ngiyangihamamaka nyaka kababam njalo kwaba iroutine ngaze ngaqeda isikolo uri awushozi thina ubabethu like so to ubut abel umuntu ecommunity bayamazi ukuthi umuntu strict ubabethu strict awushozi strict very strict akadlali so like bengeke uzusikhulumisa strategy because lokho uzusikhulumisa abantu sebantatu amthatha abel okujwanga bengeke uzusikhulumise lewe babambeka strict ngakhona wabashela ukuthi no what ake baklebane ake baklebashemana likena isikolo uthi awushozi thina sangena ku private then baba umsebenzi mawucala vele uba difficult emsebenzini ubese uyaskipha ke usisa ku private ku public but le public be more like a private school ekolokishini kulabona be right uthi awushozi ke kwenzeke ke ukuthi ke sesingena istate ke my sister twin sister ke what awushozi no lomothoro ukujola le this other guy the following street nasekhaya ikiwe baba nama business and umfana no bashimana vele bakene ikolo tseli sharp ubulela sikhuwa and ko haba mreke silikolo ke or awushozi usisi wami ajole nalo muntu or awushozi mina umuntu ubrothers benganankinga naye so to brother uJabu benganankinga naye the only problem I had no Jabu ukuthi disrespectful akahlonipha babam uyamdelela or awushozi no lo mothoro anyaka my twin sister so this twin sister uLindo mafuna uLindo uthi wavele ame gate baba makaphuma arke khopela Lindo kitiloko Lindo or uthi alanda uLindo ngabo 6 ambuse ngabo 12 am ekseni singakhona ukey gate or awushozi even though ubaba azame ukuthi ukey gate uthi uLindo angaphumi ejardini or nahlahla lengwana kohabo wanganyana afika shayihuta makuvula umnyanga ekhaya uthi awushozi umntwana sikibo lo intombazana aphuma athi hayi besicela uLindo or the level of disrespect banalo na for intato wakhe into bengayithandi athi okay sharp awushozi ayisichubekeke awushozi kube ukuthi kuba ne-funeral efamilini ke kushona umunye umalumethu makushona umalumethu hayireko funeralini uthi mase funeralini ama male cousins wethu angitshela sihle kanti wangaphuza uLindo like ayeke that guy like asi mushima nomushapo for yena ayikube ukuthi uLindo vele uyakwata yanhlohele inkimotho wakhe kodwa leso sikhathi siyabuye bayasikhapha uthi leso sikhathi siyabuye athi inhlohele inkimotho wakhe wayeletsana ndaba tsarena yabona uthi awushozi hayi mina vele ngiphuma endabeni uthi ngalo nyanga ngibe pregnant no my sister nabe pregnant ake ba pregnant like that awushozi ngibe ne lucky ke mina my husband antsize mahadi ki move from la hlala khona nohlala go mukini nangothing like bahlala 2 different provinces yabona so uthi hayi neso sikhathi athola umsebenzi ke lena kasebenzayo uthi athi umsebenzi ugeli uyasebenza ke uthi awusithozi isikhathi uyasebenza uGuy naye bekasebenza ku financial sector bekasebenza ke uGuy usisi makaba nomntwana or awujikijiki ugawuyekile emsebenzini how why atlohetse emsebenzini uJabu there are issues emsebenzini wakhe so he had to resign ke uJabu how manje ubaba like uba concerned ukuthi manje usupporta kanjani umntwana because la usebenza khona is not like uhola imali engakhona ukusupporta wena nomntwana athi hayi uJabu une flat uyirentisile so iflat le mayenza imali uyangithumela. Okay, sharp awushozi isikhathi siye abe pregnant ne second child yakhe after ayibal second child awushozi my sister I don't know ukuthi kwenzeke nemsebenzini naye vele ayikumsebenzi makayi kumsebenzi awushozi abantu manje abasebenzi uJaba kasebenzi uhlala ekibo and then my sister uhlala ekithi nobabami uthi awushozi ubabami athi no what angeke phela lo muntu nabantwana abayi2 umuntu wakhe akasebenzi emangifunela uJabu umsebenzi ukuthi athole umsebenzi kodwa awushozi Jabu orebelela ngayena ekibo banama business ekibo but akasebenzi ama business nuki like bashimane bale spoiled uJabu uthi awushozi babami amfunela umsebenzi makamfunela umsebenzi like uma doctor so uthi akhona deliver amapilisi izinto ezinjalo uthi umuntu ubuyeka 2-3 wabe so uyayeka or like in my mind ngawuthi umuntu lube laba yasenza khona babo fali thai so no auto driver I pick up ipilisi hayi ayo kumsebenzi abantu abasebenzi awushozi balithu hayi emsebenzini kasisi wami kube ukuthi kuphuma imali zakhe ke zakho America or awushozi asitshele athi no ko America nguthulela ichelete zakhe ahuthule 160k ephumini uthi hayi bayeze vele bazovakasha decide la ngakhona bazovakashela nomyeni wami uthi awushozi baxile for weekend ori awuswa kanale moreki or rata mara molo motho areka diaparo tsa 12,000 na on top of more uthengela yena ari mushima no ba rentisa ibile ke mfilele bitso ke re ke Vaseline uthengele yena uthengele uVaseline uthengele yena uthengele abantwana bakhe uthi offer ukuthi no my sister let me buy you izinto or ngala ngathi yo kibahle ke sharp uthi at the back of my mind I'm thinking ukuthi imali mayizophela because umuntu akasebenzi boyithu abasebenzi banabantwana bayi2 mali bayizophela bazosifaka izinkingeni so rather bangangithengeli next uthi hayi ke weekend awushozi every time uVaseline makafuna imali ufonela my sister uba dropile uhambile ke manje siswami uthumela imali kuVaseline every time abata chelete ufonela my sister transfer la chelete uthi hayi le yazobalanda ekhaya athi balata kuhaka or awushozi vele afike vele uVaseline sithola vele sihleli sichilile singaphandle my husband my sister and nami abantwana basendlini bayadlala uthi athi hayi baby ubonile ukuthi ngitransferele umama 7,000 ngazi ukuthi uyathi ufuna ini uma already nge7,000 uthi my sister awushozi hi baby kibonne uthi awushozi kinana umuntu 7,000 just like that awusebenzi ngapho sicela uspenda boma 12,000 like awubereki charity tofela ikilobona uthi hi my sister uthi awushozi ayivele bahamba uthi like likhongbe ninketsanga because bakhulume everything in front of my husband uthi masola lenta mama my husband athi yo uzwile marana uVaselina atshela usisi wakho ukuthi utransfer 7,000 utransferela umama wakhe uthi ngavele ngathi yangizwile because like wona no kebulela from a point or ke hlaba ke ditlhong how can my sister spend imali recklessly so angasebenzi or awushozi angakutshela ukuthi le imali ilast 1 year nefedile uthi mina ngimuntu ukuthi ngidlala ama stockpile then imali iphuma ngoJanuary uthi the following January bana uniform bana sale or awushozi kibe ukuthi ngiyamthumela ke i2000 ukuthi no uzobona ukuthi uwenza njani or awushozi angimtshela ukuthi buy uniform usizaduza abana just school and stuff uthi ay umuntu kuleyo mali engimthumela still usayishare le mang leVaselina uthi awushozi after usisi wami asele angasasebenzi kube ukuthi ke manje ngisisamtshela like kulobona like wona asabereka asana income ukuthi manje nizophila kanjani ningasebenzi uthi I don't know ukuthi kwenzakalani basuka bakwata ke awushozi bapaka dibheke noyena noVaselina wakhe bahamba bayokuhlala khabo uVaselina uthi abasekibo uVaselina babaka Vaselina was like no anizodlala amantontwana mohaka wena Lindo thatha abantwana ubuyelekini wena Jabu funa umsebenzi usebenze wakhumuzi njengami usebenzela abantwana bakho but urinzodlala masihlalisana kwami angifuni ke le what awushozi instead of kuphume my sister nabantwana abiyele ekhaya uthi kwaphuma my sister noVaselina nabantwana bahamba bayohlala kuphi bayohlala ekhaya or awushozi like avula remarket how come after the generation take uthi awushozi hesimangala ukuthi lo muntu lona like at least like bernahana ro ba tlo utlwella as papa akaya abakobare abatlo ba nne kwale ba ire like mkipito wakhe ubrother sahamba ufuna umsebenzi lona thatha abantwana abile ekhaya or awushozi azanga fundalela boy 4 babuya the boyfriend the kids and my sister ba khutla batlona ko high so thina si family samramkenela no you cannot like in our generation akekho umuntu wathatha umfana azohlala naye ekhaya like this is disrespectful to my father and ikhaya lethu akhona or awushozi babona ubulela babulela thata ba or ha go se khale awushozi ha o lengwalo latla or a re tse ba shaile jwang family ga bo mfana go diregileng we don't know go se khale bona lengwalo latla gore ba gabo ja batlontšha magadi uthi awushozi ayise amangala sonke mahadi imali bathatha uqhosla abantu boyithu abasebenzi uthi awushozi bazivele mahadi hayi bekithivele baba charge uthi ukavela khiphe 20000 ikota ya mahadi lapha bachachile bakhiphe 20000 or awushozi yafella hona mo 20000 rand but ba inseditse gore atkhona nna ko high le legele uthi awushozi ayisikhathi siya uthi hey awushozi jabu Vaseline they were telling some of the reasons gore ke samrati is because of disrespect uthi sisi wami wathola umsebenzi ke kwenye company but wasebenza 1 month wayeka hayi nakuya ya awushozi like kamromela chelete like yakena le chelete kamromela hore akhono petja ke lo bona awushozi ke mromela chelete so motho o chelete o ishara le mang le Vaseline like o rekela diro o sharela le Vaseline because Vaseline a bereke Vaseline una le koloi Vaseline o ile ho dikolo tse sharp but Vaseline a batlo bereka a bereke awushozi uthi okay sharp ayikwenze ukuthi siswa mathola umsebenzi ku a big financial company sebenze lapho awushozi wa travela from mo anankoteni from more lenkoteni ko high to mo ayankoteni kuma 40 to 45 minutes drive kuya lapha emsebenzini ukuya kuphela fanele abuye ukuyabona or hayi abereke mo awushozi awusoka haliko mmereko uVaselina one day ubaba unomunye usisi like ko jardin ko high so alko high Vaselina unka video unka papa ka Emily awuso urumela my sister ka botlaila utsha video o rumelana or bona papa ha o etsang o re ka ngambuza ngathi wena ubaba usendlini kwakhe iboyfriend yakho isendlini ka babam so le video le wena usemsebenzini le video ithathe kuphi ora ha ke rometse ke Vaseline arnana ore botlaila bobso motho ha o to disrespect papa ka mo ha o mtse di video and then wena esitlaila o to itsa o entertainer this thing a bona motho wa disrespect uthi awushozi ibe kanjalo ke indaba uthi udlule like a couple of months after 6 months itse magadi uthi umama ka ofonela ke mashonisa o batla tšhelete hao ngwana ko ha o tsere 20000 or awushozi mama matopi phone ka mashonisa afonele my sister ukuthi wena mashonisa yakufuna or awushozi phone illa ko paleng amukre my mother said let me call afonele mina ke angitshela ukuthi kwenzakalani uri awushozi ambotsa hore ngwana ko heni o tsere loan ko mashonisa 20000 mashonisa ofile mashonisa number yaka mashonisa o batla tšhelete e batla monna uri awushozi ha usisamangele ufonela ubabami uthi ha papa khopela hore unkadime 10000 ke batla serasnal dikolo tsonzo ke dikwalela ubabami ale uri awushozi ubabami ala thakana mali athi no like akasikhona ukupela like your employer gore inthuse baba mathino wa yona ngithathi loan god usekelele like dikoloto tsa wa sa tse loan a re no nna ke under that review ngasikhona hale hore ke nganka chelete uthi baba mvele alatha kana mali so isikhathi siyahamba usiswami athi bathenge iflat somehow ona ko marana like kholengana le ko high ba rekile flat so ba move from Egiti bahlala lapha eflatini yabo because my sister now uyasebenza no problem awushozi anthabana ko location dikolo bana bababili nona bana babili nathi nalabana babili anthabana ko sikolong abe sebafaka lapha private school nice bahlala eflatini flat mo ile ngoteng still usayo travel the same amount of time motseling bo 40 to 45 minutes gore ayi ko mmereko hayi bahlale lapho awushozi go se khale bo ma 3 months down the line hayi ubabam o receive like statements abantwana baka my sister but mama twin sister ukuthi uyakolta 10000 behind nge-10,000 school fees elo before then I was choose ufonela mina no my elder sister you know what kwa nna ke hola ka di 15 how about nna ke le 1.5 wena hola ka di 25 my sister then tla mfa ka 25 then o hola ka 30 tla mfa 1.5 ka di 30 what I was choose we know this person ukuthi structure kanjani the reason says ukuthi uhola nge-15 I was choose ka be ka di 25 asana cheleta ya ko mmerekong after the 25 to body 30 ana chelete et ola ya ko mmerekong uyohamba nge-medical aid ayebhuka i-doctor ukuthi uyagula bambhukhele amalanga 5 days ka bekeletela nki follow up hayi mmerekong ke follow up hayi mmerekong and then utwa mmerekong ka beke ya di 15 atse bro wa gola ke process e aphilang ka yona so umakaza kiphi athi ufuna simnikeza ama 1.5 uzosinikeza siribona ukuthi no what lo muntu lo uyashashaya cause yena self akakhona ukusustain ngesalary ayitholayo so rena di 1.5 char ko rifa jona jwa or awusozibele rehana aske tukwala awusozi kube ukuthi so fostel baba ukuthi ubaba abhadalele abantwana bakhe school fees because of baba behind him 2 months so asahona so ukhopela ukuthi abhadalele bana uthi ubaba ali athi mina ngeke ngikhona kanti why uVasilina ngafuna umsebenzi asebenze yabona or awusozi vele ube gore na setskile fok bana gore no what I just want to tell this lady why usukleha uthi ngamfonela mona ko hayi why usukleha unalko henu why sabole ko henu unyake samana rentang flat ya lena and then itla dipatela flat and then ukhipha abantwana ku private school because awukhona afforda ubabusele ku public uhambe uhlala ekhaya because like lempilo ofuna ukuyiphila iyakuhlula uhluleka ukuthi ube nokudla bele ekhaya or awusichozi my sister vele akwate vele anyanya angithi block mina ablock my elder sister ablock no mama ashiye ongluba bethu uthi awusichozi ibe kanjalo ke indaba angasafuna ukungikhulumisa or awusichozi and is not the first time angiblock wangiblocker one time uyanga brother ka Vaseline amshaya ngebhodlela bacabana ngazi babanga ini uyanga brother ka Vaseline umshaya ngebhodlela kwaba ukuthi uyangiblockulula sebamshayile uyangiblockulula ke ngwana ko hayi bambethile or awusichozi as a family sahamba seyomlelo bekasiblock sonke but we went there samlwele ukuze umfana bambambe uthi now awusichozi uriblockile happy for the second time uthi awusichozi kube kanjalo ke indaba uthi ubaba ambize abize like my sister my twin sister abatobole no kanti zikhiphani kwenzakalani why are you struggling like this usebenza or awusichozi mwana ka hayi uwabereka la sebenza khona usebenza kahle umsebenzi o right but akakhoni because upatela flat ke bond ya flat upatela bana school fees upatela bana di transport uya travel la sebenzela khona sekdeni wa travel uthelela Vaselina petrol usupporta Vaselina umorekela everything kena reka grocery kontum endlini laba sisebenza khona basebenzisa igas uthola ukuthi akana gas sometimes acela ubaba ukuthi amgcwalise imali bakhona ukuthenga igas for abantwana or awushozi this person like overcommitted akasakhoni but she's not willing to let go of Vaselina because of Vaselina ke morwalo moyena akafuni uthi baba ma decide to you know what let me call this person because of usblock sonke awusozo blockile ka ufela and asakhona ubulela bana baga asakhona asina access kuye nama phone wabantwana ubablockile awusozo and the sad part ukuthi abantwana bethu abantwana bakasiswami nabantwana bami bawutwana too much abantwana bakasiswa umdala nabantwana baka twin sister yami bayazwana labantu laba uthi manje asana access yabantwana yena vele siyamazi ngoba ukuthi asithanda ukusiblock asinankingi or blockile or awusichozi how kuleso sikhathi before azokhuluma nobaba kube ukuthi urahadi wami usiswa ka baba uyashona hayi awusichozi rarlesungu uthi phela remember basiblockile thina basikhulumisi uthi angawubothi gore Vaselina awusichozi utsenne ko lesengurinze ko kitchening azangabolise ku funeral ka ragadi wa rena azang abulisi uvele wangena wafuna umuntu wakhe waphuma wangena wafuna azange asikhulumise uthi okay lafikile ngale funeral my sister bamfake ku program fanele ukuthi ayokhuluma uthi uyaphambili uyakhulumisiswa mvele uyakhala like uqwa bothoko kungona ko high or kayemela kuri komhaka athi awusichozi athi umuntu wangiphushela lethini angixohela sera Kohela siraknya ko bua ke batlobu tlohela ar awushozi in front of the people wangutwa uthi usiswa wangiphusha kanjalo gore ka bona mo gore ga botsebotse na le motho gona no re di enemy we are no longer sisters or kana kutseu o shoka everything akafuna ukusikhulumisa uVasilina naye akasikhulumisa arina hala the level of disrespect uthi indoda emkhwenyana kolapha engile afihla sabuledisa bathu because of yena urelwa le motho hayi and silwa so silwela ukuthi uVasilina uyamdraina, but wena abone kamkhulu it means uthina simbangisa umuntu wakhe. Awusithozi ubaba decide ukuthi ngqono aye yibo umfana yabona ayikhuluma nobaba lo. I'm understand this situation ukuthi my sister ukuphi yabona financially they are struggling, izinto zihambe kahle. Uthi awusithozi ubaba kaJabu baba kaVasilina asho athi na ngisamile amagameni wami. I told my son ukuthi mangaphuma lana angasaphinda buhle if uzophuma lana lelo mntwana wakho, because I told them ngathi ngeke bahlale la nami bazoyenza umasihlalisana la kwami. uJaba kahamba ufuna umsebenzi asebenzele abeyindoda ayabuild ikhaya for abantwana bakhe nomfazi wakhe, but mina ngeke ngivuma ukuthi bahlale la. Uthi vele the father vele asho kanjalo angafuni ukujika amagama wakhe. Uthi awushozi ubaba mvela decide ukuthi you know what uzoba samona ke baze endlini. Uthi awushozi vele Vasilina ahle le my twin sister nabantwana bakhe. Awushozi ubaba makangixoxela arbana nebaperi yaporotsa khale athi ithezwe uyibona ukuthi iphelile sethi isefela. Uthi abantwana bebangana zempahla babona ukuthi abantwana bahluphekile. Uthi baba abuzela abantwana athi kanti wale safonela abana baboragadi balende cousins alena why yabona. Uthi abantwana bathi asina airtime athi niyeza la kamkhulweni la kibo babakho bathi yebo why ningasingize nizongibona mina nizosivakashela nisibone. Uthi abantwana bathuli are athi ababuza athi anibakhumbuli like ama cousins wenu. Abantwana bathi yebo sabakhumbula manje why athi umama. Uthi ababuze athi wani ngeze nizobona umkhulu athi umama makana petrol. Uthi akana petrol arwaleli kwale cause mawuleki bo Vasilina sekhaya bawuwalk is a 10 minutes walk nje wani ngeze lana. Uthi abantwana bathule. Uthi atshela abantwana athi hamani udlala ngaphandle ngisafuna ukukhuluma nomama nobabeni. Uthi abuze Vasilina ukuthi Vasilina wena ubana wabankawu bayisakoheni uya how many times koheni are ayakatla bano awitla koheni why ungavumeli abantwana abazele bazobona mina ke. Bathi Vasilina vela athi uyabona ukuthi into yenza ukuthi unfair. Uthi abuze my sister gore why ublockile everyone, why ublock wonke umuntu. Uthi siswami athula athi ambuza ukuthi wena like ukudecide ukuthi ifamily yakho ikhatha off usticka with your men na yabona. Uthi havela usiswambele athuli. Uthi ngoba ubaba sacala communication with my sister ngifonela ubaba ngitshela ukuthi you know what ngicela mina ufonele my twin sister umcela ukuthi abantwana ngicela ukuthi bazovakasha ngoDecember mina ngizobathengela nezimpahla like ngizathenga kancane kancane baze bazovakasha. Uthi befuthi namanje ikolo mazivala ngicela mina at least bazovakasha ngapha for 1 week ngizaba gibeza ngize ngibajikise. Hayi ubaba mathe inambe ngikhalela ukuthi bazosivakashela for iviki 1 and nomama mina asho ukuthi hayi at least ka 3 weeks batlona konna bayikopapalina nenibaze kuyimi ke sizwane sirebulele tabatsa gore transport iswenza kanjani ukuthi sikhona ba travelisa izinto ezinjalo. Or awushozi baba mamfonele ke amfonele amtshela or awushozi azange receive message ethi ufuna bapha abantwana. Ufuna bapha abantwana cause unabakho abantwana bayi2 so baba batlanke bana bahamang. Uthi ngabona lapha ngathi you know what I'm drawing the line ake salikena mara awushozi indaba ukuthi ngithize abantwana zobathenga impahla Christmas ngizozithenga ngizise kubaba if my sister akasifuni lezo zimpahla cause no hwatonye awushozi bana diaparo thina we can afford to assist but because of usisi wami usiblockile but bana kiba innocent abatsebiselo. So I told myself ukuthi mina ngizothenga izimpahla ngizise kubaba whether usisi wami yazifuna or akazifuni baba muzazithatha azibeke a briefcase or RB go suitcase alibe go wardrobe or whatsoever ngama tag lawo angawakhiphi because abantwana bazokhulu bazofuna ama answers. Kodwa awushozi into ebhlungu ukuthi bama abantwana bethu so 3 my sister my twin sister and my elder sister like sirebarata ngarike bana barena and abantwana bethu nabo bayazwana. Kodwa awushozi angisazi ukuthi ngikhulume maphama ngabantwana bami because every time bafonela amafoni ama cousin wabo amafoni are blocked abakhona communicate or ake sathi orikebulele mafing maka. Uthi into ebhlungu awushozi usiswa manje sekanisandla uyatshontsha and cala ekudala lento le but now seyenze ukuthi utshontsha kuphi na kuma retail stores. Othi kwayenzeka ukuthi abantwana bami i-transport yabo ibe involved ku accident. Hayi kube ukuthi ke my mother uyazozo assist but mama mina yasebenza kuthiwa ukuthi uyajika ke then my elder sister naye wazozo assista angibhekela abantwana because my son beka critical uyevele bekalimali kakhulu intwana bekalimele bekaphukile but bam discharge so ukuthi lona ucritical ku ICU transfer ke beting every day so lo bekumele ukuthi kube nomuntu ozosala naye so then family amba assista ke then my sister twin sister was like no nami ngizoza ngo assista for a week. Well ashozi umuntu makahamba o tjontile wena maskhafu tsaka diaparo tsaka wena meriri yaka o tjontile like that uthi isikhathi masiyenya khona ubona ukuthi bani sikhona izinto zami shoda or in my heart ngicabanga ukuthi hayi man maybe like the helper uzitjontile yabona uthi one day nyamfonela umuntu uyawashwasha uzikhohliwe phela wapera imiriri yaka wapera isikhafu saka awusho sibuloze ne credit limit lutse ke help ngicabanga le help zitshontshe umntwana sekithi my twin sister uthi ayingaphela kanjalo uvakashela umamami lesa sikhathi before zosiblock bekavakashela umamami uthi awushozi ha umntwana ka my elder sister uTenyu akusibe na irank kodi baking ubona like ama no sachet ebhekeni kasiswami ha uthi wena why ukinga dijo ka mo baking ukhiphele izinto yomkhomo why ukinga dijo ko baking how uze nebag uthi maka abavula ibag awushozi kunale di-pads sekusama mayinesi uzitshontshile kunama pads utshontshe nama roll on disiphatha awuhlapha into bekayenza within thina ama family members bese sijwayele but now awushozi ningi bari natlile ko papaka umuntu uthi hayi ngisafuna ukujika la food lovers masinya ngithenga icabbage or awushozi umuntu bakabuya sekuya novorce phambuza hawani uthi uzothenga ama veg so ben barobetsi kwake babethila babona silo kitsule lona vorce utshontshe ivorce while ahamba nobani novaseline uvaseline akatshontshe kutshontsha abantu kutshontsha my sister because of they don't have food well awushozi ubaba the other day uhleli ngaphandla kuza intombazana next door urayi bangithumile la umntwana kuthize mani kune gene ophume nayo ka mistake ko shopong basikayinthadi into le color nibiza in tech bangakhiphanga itag so bekathi ngimkhiphele so ngize nomshini ukuthi ngizomkhiphela or awushozi ubaba mabona ukuthi lo muntu lo yatsho or awushozi the sad part is that uvaselina abahle mereko vaselina number 1 number 2 ikolodo zonke zwenziwa ngegama la kasiswami number 3 usiswami manje awushozi ayakulisobhungwa uthwa uthi into engizwisa ubhlungu mina esihlisa ubhlungu esifamily ukuthi usiswami ngabuya ngala because of all brokile angala anotsi abana abayishiye ko papaka or ko mamaka sikhona ukubheka abantwana because now abantwana baya struggleisha because of decision kasiswami and enye into engizwisa ubhlungu ogcina awushozi kore utoruta abana hore ba utse ku shopong uzofundisa abantwana ukuthi batshontshe because uyazi ukuthi abantwana ngeke baba bophe and into engizisubhlungu mina ke bona awushozo umuntu ukhedile moshemanyana over family uvaselina mangathola umsebenzi awushozi ivaselina kadisethu no wathi ke batlamere because uvaselina ufundile bangafuna umsebenzi uzomiyeka lo muntu lo otomotohela and awushozi utoba morwalo rena because of honana ubodile kodwa everyone kodwa bomashonisa kodwa ayikho into angayikoloti everywhere uyakolota mara awushozi abatle silo abatle tlohla vaselina abato khutlela gae o stacked uhlala sekolotweni uhlala agula 2 weeks uhola 2 weeks merkong 2 weeks ewalwala ubukha amatsatsi ka medical aid because of akana mali travel akana petrol kumsebenzini or awushozi indaba my so cause this thing it's so painful kubantwana abangazi next abantwana basafarishayo but abanama family members who can assist indaba myself siyenza kanjani like I feel so bad for abantwana because akafuni ngabantwana bavakashe manje ngama winter holidays abahle bana bayetel ka December abahle anything akafuni ukuthi abantwana baye kumama bukogwami umama ethu kokwabo akafuni abantwana bavakashele babami akafuni abantwana bavakashele my elder sister usiblock sonke abantu abakhona ukubona abantwana abazali baka Vaselina ibaba ne access yabantwana and abazali baka Vaselina ababancedi ngani nothing because they are punishing uVaselina ukuthi akafuni ukusebenza so bano yakoloba lo yeda but financially my sister she's drowning ngifila ukuthi one day uzo commit suicide or one day uzothi yatshontsha shebo or utshontsha whatever skipper leso asitshontsha and into ebuthoko awusuza athu awutswa modiso bunga utswa le diaparo tseo uhamba no Vaselina uVaselina akatshontshe ala awusuza ukhonsi ukuthi lo muntu lona akamthanda umntwana sekithi everywhere ikolodo bomashonisa kuboleko my sister ukutshontsha ukuphanda ukudla kuphanda gezi ukuphanda ihasi usiswami Vaselina nje uTenki passenger princess in everything what awushozi if indaba iso ni solve kanjani esumndeni because abantu abastruggleisha kakhulu abantwana and abantwana bazogcina sebabafundisa ukuganga because of i desperation ukuthi bahluphekile so abantu abadlula kulesimo lesigazini iphana usisi advice for ayitse jwang because usisi uzwa ubuhlungu abantwana baya struggleisha